Good morning to you all, my YouTube families, ladies and gentlemen in the house. Welcome back to the channel, and if you are new here, please do kindly subscribe, turn on your notification bell, as this will help YouTube notify you in time whenever a video drops on this channel. And I just want to use this opportunity to say congratulations to we all, as we boomed yesterday lunch and also tea time. It was massive yesterday, guys. And if you didn't manage to boom yesterday, your turn is coming. All right, just keep on trying, guys. Keep on trying. Giving up is not the best. All right, Xmas is just around the corner, guys. All right, today we're gonna be analyzing our lunchtime and tea time as usual, and here is the numbers we boomed yesterday. Okay, if you followed along my yesterday prediction, congratulations to you guys, as we boomed so many numbers yesterday. As when it comes to the family of 4 that I showed to you guys, as you guys can see, let me make it the way you guys will see it properly. From the family of 4, all right, the family of 4, okay, the family of 4, we boomed all these numbers from the family of 4 yesterday. And when it comes to the bankers that I gave to you guys, I told you guys to use this banker as your first target for yesterday, both lunch and tea time. Where is we have 43 and also 13 coming from 49. All right, coming from 49. So we boomed all these numbers yesterday. We boomed all these numbers yesterday. So if you followed along yesterday, congratulations to you guys, and don't give up. Always be smart, keep it simple. Okay, be smart and keep it simple. That is just the game. All right. So guys, let's do our analysis for today. And also on tea time, as you guys can see, I also told you guys the family of 4 and also the family of 9, which is 27 and also 13, as I also did pair these numbers on yesterday video for you guys, the family of 4 and the family of 9. All right, so guys, it was a very massive boom yesterday. All right, my target was met yesterday because the booming was very massive. Okay, so if you guys followed along, congratulations to you guys. And here is also our 38. I told you guys about these numbers. All right, so let's do our lunch and tea time analysis for today. Okay, let's do our lunch and tea time analysis for today and see what we're gonna make out of lunchtime and also tea time, guys. Lunchtime and also tea time. Okay, so guys, as you guys can see, the first thing I want to show you guys is the family of 4 is not done yet. All right, as 4 also repeated on tea time, but the family of 4 is not done yet. All right, the family of 4 is not done yet, so you can still use the family of 4 as your bankers, guys. You can still use your family of 4 as your bankers. Use it to run the family, use it to run 20s or 30s. All right, the family of 4, 20s or 30s. And let's see what's going to happen on lunchtime or tea time, because I'm very sure that the family of 4 is not done yet. You can pick your bankers from the family of 4 as well. All right, you can pick your bankers from the family of 4 as well. That is the first thing I want to tell you guys. Okay, and in case you are new here and you don't know the family of 4, here is the family of 4. We have 13 and we have 31. Okay, we have 31, we have 4, and we have 40, and we have 22. All right, and we have 22, guys. Here is the family of 4. This is how I gave to you guys these numbers yesterday. Here is the family of 4, so you can use 20s, all right, or 30s to run it. Okay, the family of 4, if you use 20s, a line will give you 10 rand, the other line will give you 10 rand, so it's just 5 numbers here. It's gonna cost you only 50 rand. And if you get like 2 20s in a draw, or even 3 20s coming with the family of 4, you're gonna also make some money. Or if you have money, you can also add money to your stake, because you can't do a business without money. All right, so that is it, guys. That is it. Okay, So that is that one there. So the first thing I want to show you guys is this. We have 41 has been trending. 41 has been trending. Okay, 41 has been trending, and this number here, all right, brought 41 and also brings 19, which is 5. Okay, so when it comes to 41 right now, what we're gonna look at is this. When we do 41 plus 41 is gonna give us 82, which we have 28 there already. All right, which we have 28 there already, because when we turn 82 around, we're gonna get 28. So we should be expecting 14, all right, to drop coming from that number there, or we can also add 28. Okay, 14 or 28 coming from 41, guys. 14 or 28 coming from 41. Okay, coming from 41. That is it there. Lunchtime and tea time, guys. So that is that one there. As you guys can see that we have 48 here, and 48 supposed to give us 32 and 12. Okay, 48 supposed to give us 32 and 12. When you look here, you will not find any of these numbers coming from 48. Okay, you will not find any of these numbers coming from 48. But if we want to make it the way it will be, it will not go against us, we can also add 39, because sometimes UK trick us with this scenario that I just gave to you guys, because sometimes you may be waiting for 12 and UK will just play the opposite, which is 39. All right, so let's look into these numbers coming from 48. Okay, coming from 48. So we should be looking at 39, 32 and 12 coming from 48. Guys, you can also use these bankers as your first bankers for the day. You can use it to run whichever bankers I'm going to show you guys on next. All right, I'm going to use it to run whichever banker I'm going to show you guys on next. So please do write these numbers down. Okay, do write these numbers down. Okay, all right, that is that one there. So we have 11 here. 11 should give us 26 and 47. So when you look around here, we are not finding any of these numbers. All right, we are not finding any of these numbers. So we should look into these numbers coming from the callings. All right, coming from the callings. All right, so guys, what you should be doing now, I gave you a number coming from 48, which is 39, 32, 12. Okay, now this number is coming from 48, and this number here is coming from 11. Okay, so it's not necessary that you must pick all the whole numbers that I'm going to call out for you guys. You can just use two strategy that I'm using two strategies right now. You can just pick, okay, say like, let me use what 11 will bring and what 48 will bring, and pair these two numbers together and see what I'm gonna make out on lunch time and also on tea time, guys. That is exactly how you can do this. You can just use the two strategies, jam the two numbers together, because right now, as you can see, 11 is bringing 26 and 47, and 48 is bringing 39 and 32 and 12. Okay, so you can just jam these two numbers together and see what you're gonna make out of lunchtime and tea time. That is how it goes. You can use this line here, you can pair this 26. You can use 32 and pair 26 and 47. You can use 12 and pair 26 and 47. So that is exactly how it goes, guys. So you can, I'm just showing you guys what you should be doing. All right, I'm just showing you guys what you should be, pick two particular strategy that you think that will best suits you, because if you are a businessman, you should understand. If you are a gamer, you should understand what I'm talking about, okay? Because inside you, you know that there is some kind of number that is missing. So when you see the scenario here, you should be able to go to these two lines and jam these two lines together, pair these two numbers together, and see what you're going to make out of lunchtime and tea time, okay? That is exactly what I'm saying to you guys, okay? So that is that one there. So right now from this 49, 49 gives us 43, and 7, 13, and then we also added 1, okay? So now we have 13, we have 43, so we should also be looking into these two numbers. All right, we should be looking for 1, we should be looking for 1 7, okay? We should be looking for 1 7 to come up, okay, to come up from here. And sometimes you can do trickers by representing 7 with 16, because also 16 is 7. So sometimes you'll be expecting 7 and UK will play 6. You go the opposite way, okay? So you should be very, very smart enough to know all those things, okay? So we can also add 36 here. All right, you guys should also look into these numbers. You can use these numbers to pair the numbers that I gave you coming from 48, and you can also use this number to pair the numbers I gave you coming from 11, okay? Do not forget that. That is how it goes, guys. That is how it goes. Don't wait and look for two specific numbers, or looking for a predictor that will say this 3 specific numbers is coming. No one knows exactly what is coming. We are only going by the pattern, and we are used to strategy or 3 strategy to develop a number. Because right now, let's say I'm using 2 strategy or 3 strategy. One strategy may bring 1 number or 2 numbers. The other strategy may bring 1 numbers. All right. So now there is no how you pick out the particular number that is coming. All you need to do is to jam those strategies, those 2 strategies or 3 strategies that you use. If one strategy provide a number and the other strategy provide a number and the other one provide a number, by the time you pair these 3 strategies together, you will be able to figure out the 3 tickets or 4 tickets these 3 strategies provide. All right, these 3 strategies produce. So that is how it goes, guys. So if you are waiting for 2 specific number, when someone will say this 2 specific number is coming, the fact that yes, it can be like that, because maybe that person has followed those 2 numbers. That's gonna be just a game of luck, okay? That's gonna be just a game of luck, because sometimes UK go the opposite way. All right, so if you are looking for 2 specific number to drop, or someone to give you 2 specific number, the fact is that you keep on losing. You will keep on losing and losing and losing. If you win, you're gonna win once. Maybe you win once in a while, once in 3 months, once in this, and you think you're making money. When you calculate it, you will see that you are losing, because calculate your loss and calculate the one you are winning, you see that you are still losing, okay? So that is it there. That's Take my advice and do exactly what I'm telling you, because I know most of you must have been saying the numbers are too many, this thing. Guys, I'm just telling you, all right? This is how UK trick you. This is if you are looking for specific numbers to drop, all right? You just use your strategy, use the strategy, whatever strategy you have, grab those numbers, pair those numbers together, and that is the power, and that is how you're gonna win this. That's how you're gonna make money from these games. All right, that's how you're gonna make money from these games. All right, this is market. You have to trade with smartness. You have to be smart enough. Okay, so that is it, guys. That's what I'm showing you guys. Okay, so all right now, so when we say 40, we have 40 here, and we have 4 here. We also have 4 here. We have 40 there. So when it comes to this scenario here, from their calling, these numbers will give us 15. Okay, this number will give us 15, guys. This number will give us 15. Do not forget that. Do not forget 15. Okay, and now we have because I just want to make this video fast. We have 13 will give us 7 and 43. Okay, 13 will give us 7 and 43, but we'll have 43 coming with 13 there. All right, but we can also look into these two numbers. All right, we can also look into these two numbers, guys. Very, very important. Okay, very, very important, as we have 31 there, and 31 will give us 18, guys. 31 will give us 18. Okay, 31 will give us 18, as we have 22 there, and 22 brought that 27 over there. All right, 22 brought 27 over there. Okay, so we have 5 brought 19 and 41. Okay, 5 brought 19 and 41, and as you guys can see, we have consecutive of 4 and 5 there, so we are hoping for 5 to also come back. All right, we are hoping for 5 to drop back. All right, guys, you guys should be picking these numbers. It's very, very important. Okay, all right, guys, and we have 41 here and 19 here. All right, these two numbers, it's either they will bring these two numbers there. Those two numbers will give us 5 back if they come for repetition. 5 or 41 will turn to 14. Okay, hold these two numbers. All right, 41 will turn to 14. Look into these three numbers, guys. Look into these three numbers. Lunchtime and tea time is very, very important. Okay, it's very, very important. These numbers are coming from 41 because 41 has been trending. Okay, so hold these three numbers very, very well, guys. Hold these three numbers very, very well. It's very important. Okay, you can use these three numbers right now to go back to the numbers I gave you on 48 and pair it together, or go back to the numbers I gave you 11. All right, what number 11 is bringing, and pair these numbers together with these numbers. All right, that is how it goes, guys. That is exactly how it goes. Okay, and we also have 41 there. All right, we also have 41 there, so 41 will give us 14 supported, guys. 41 will give us 14 supported. Okay, 41 will give us 14 there. All right, guys, we have 33 there. We have 33. 33 will give us 42 and 42. As you know that 42 can also be 24 and 6. Okay, and 6. Hold these three numbers. All right, you can use these three numbers right now to pair the numbers I told you guys that will come from 41, and also the numbers that will come from 11, and also the number that will come from 48. That is how it goes. All right, jam to jam, pair to pairs. All right, so that is how it goes, because when you are using these numbers, these three numbers, to pair the numbers that is coming from 48, if any number come from 48 and number come from this 43, they will jam each other and you're gonna make a boom. Okay, they will jam each other and you're gonna make a boom. That is how it goes, guys. That is how it goes. Okay, all right, I think that is exactly what I have today, because this one and this one is all equally the same thing. Okay, this one and this one equally the same thing, which will also give us 26 over there. So hold on to 26 as well. All right, hold on to 26 as well, because 13 plus 13 will give us 26. All right, will give us 26. Okay, or they will return 31. It's either they return 31 or it gives us 26, guys. That is exactly what I'm saying to you guys. You can hold these two numbers, use it to pair the other bankers that I have given to you guys, coming from 48 and also 11. All right, so this is exactly what I'm showing to you guys. Okay, all right, guys, this 48 here will give us 2, 38 will give us 2, and 29 coming from the bonus. Okay, coming from the bonus ball. All right, very important, guys. Very important, guys. You know what to do. Use other ones, and you can also jam with these ones. All right, pair to pairs. All right, so that is it. That is that one there. So another thing I want to show you guys is this. We have from the family of 0, we have 40 there, we have 40 here. When you look around, there is no other family of 0 coming from that trend. All right, coming from that trend. So when we are going to the family of 0, we should be expecting 10, 20 and 30. All right, 10, 20 and 30 from the family of 0. All right, from the family of 0, you can use the family of 0 to pair the family of the numbers that is coming from 48, numbers that is coming from 11, and also you can use the family of 11, this family of 0, to also pair the family of 4, because I told you guys the family of 4 is still coming, and also the family of 9. All right, so you can decide that, okay, right now you want to go with the family of 0, because as you can see, the family of 0 is absenting. All right, is absent. Okay, so you can use the family of 0 right now, pair it with the family of the number that is coming from 11, the number that is coming from 48, and also the number, and it will make you not to get too much ticket. All right, so that is exactly how it goes. All right, that is exactly how it goes. Okay, that's exactly how it goes, guys. So that is what I have for you guys today. That is exactly what I have for you guys today. So let me give you guys my bankers for today, the numbers I think that that will be showing up on today's lunchtime and also tea time, guys. So from my bankers, I have one. Okay, sorry. So from my bankers, I have got 1. All right, 32, 12. All right, 32, 12. And 26. Okay, 26, 23, 23, 17. All right, 17, 42, very important, 42, 30. All right, 30, and also 15, guys, and also 15. So here is the bankers I have today. Here is my bankers for today. All right, here is my bankers for today. So you can use these bankers right now, pair with the numbers that is coming from 48, the numbers that is coming from, so this is exactly, or you can use these bankers right now, pair with the family of 0, pair these bankers together. All right, pair these bankers together, and let's see what's going to make out of lunchtime and also tea time. Or you can also use these bankers right now and pair with you can use these bankers right now and pair these bankers with 28. Okay, 28, and you can use these bankers right now, pair with 28 and 43. Okay, you can use these bankers, pair with 28 and 43. You can also pair these bankers together. All right, and let's see what's going to happen on lunchtime and also on tea time, guys. On tea time. Okay, that is exactly what I'm telling you guys. And the other thing you can do is you can use okay, and just pair these bankers together, and let's see what's going to happen on lunchtime and also tea time. All right, so this is what I mean. Let me just this is what I mean. You can say 132. Okay, you can say 132, 112, 126, 123, 117, 142. Okay, 142, 130, 115. Okay, 115. You can also say 136. Okay, 136, guys. So that is exactly how you can get this thing done. Now you can go back and say 32. Okay, 32, 32, 12, 32, 32, 26, 32, 32, 23, 32, 32, 17, 32, 32, 42. Okay, 32, 42, 32, 32, 30, 32, 15. Okay, 32, 15, and also 32, 36, guys. Also 32, 36. So this is exactly how you compare these numbers together. All right, and the next one you're gonna say 12. All right, so this is how to pair these numbers. So the next one you're gonna say 12. All right, 12, 26, 12, 12, 23, 12, 12, 17. Okay, 12, 12, 42. All right, 12, 42, 12, 12, 30, 12, 15. You can say 12, 36, guys. 12, 36. So that is it there. That is it. So you can also go back and do 26, 26, 23, 26, 26, 17, 26, 26, 42, 26, 26, 30, 26, 26, 15. Okay, 26, 15, and also 26. You can also say 26, 14, 26, 26, 26, 36. Okay, you can do 26, 36. So this is this one we are done here. So guys, this is exactly what I'm showing you guys today. This is exactly what I'm showing you guys today. So you can also go back and you do 23. You say 23, 17, 23, 23, 42. Okay, 23, 42, 23, 23, 30, 20, 23, 23, 15, 23, 14, 23, 14, 23, 36. Okay, 23, 36. So we are done there. So you can come around and say 17, 42, 17, 17, 30, 17. Okay, 17, 15, 17, 14, 17, 36. Okay, 17, 36. So we are done with that one. So you can come and say 42, 42, 30, 42, 42, 15, 42, 42, 36, 42, 42, 14. Okay, 42, 14. So we are done. All right, we are done. So you can also do 30. Sorry guys, sorry. So you can do 30, 14, 30, 36, 30. All right, 30, 30, 15. Okay, 30, 15. So that is it, guys. That is exactly how it goes. All right, that is exactly how you can do this. Okay, that is exactly how you can do this. All right, that is exactly how you can do this, guys. All right, guys, always remember to be smart. Always remember to be smart, keep it simple, and here will be the end of the video, and I will see you guys on my next video. Peace.
Stories like this, make sure you watch 10 Myths About Food You Still Believe. Thanks for watching and see you next time.